Hello guys, today I will be making a white pudding with vanilla and milk. So what we need is 3 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, one half a cup of sugar and half a cup of cornstarch, and for flavor I put a little bit of vanilla extract. So let's start. So all we do is combine everything together. This 3 cups of water, sugar, milk, and cornstarch. I add everything and a little bit of vanilla extract, and I mix everything together and I put it on the stove for about 5 minutes. I just mix it till it gets thicker, and when it gets thicker it will look like a pudding, and I'll show you how it looks afterward. So this is how it looks after it's done. So all we do is gonna put it in here. And you can decorate it however you like, or whatever put toppings that you like. I just like to put a little bit of cinnamon. And that's it. I hope you like it and enjoy it. So please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you.